Welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are having a blessed day. Today I have Dollar General to share with you, and we went to Five Below, so I do have a few items to share with you. So at the Dollar General, I only went in to grab some candy bars. Yes, I know, I was just craving chocolate. But I did see they had face masks, and for $2 each, you really can't beat that. And I got one for Connor, and it has dinosaurs. And they had a bunch of different designs to choose from. And then I picked myself one up in cheetah print. And I would have grabbed John one, but he is more of like a plain Jane in that sense. We got the fashion ones and he has the plain ones. But Five Below, we did pick up a few things. A couple of these items that I'm going to share first are open already. Connor needed a new pair of headphones, and he picked out the Ryan's World headphones. These work great. And then we picked up these bass jacks level set of two Aux-In gaming speakers. I don't know about the gaming speaker part of it, but we thought these were neat. They're color changing, and it says they're high quality sound. You can do a USB, and they have an aux cable, and that's included, and then the multi-color LED. And these were $5.55, and I will say these are pretty loud. They do work. The only thing is, if you and I don't know if it's just with these, but if you plug the cord all the way in, only one of the speakers lights up, so the other one is not lit up. So it's probably just my pair, but sound wise they work great. And if the cord is plugged all the way in so you can see the lights on the one, then it's kind of staticky though. So I don't want to fool with taking them back or anything, so I will just deal with one lighting up and have really crisp sound. I mean, they do sound really great, perfect for listening to music with the computer. So I do like those, except for the couple things that I mentioned. I grabbed these for myself, also from the brand Bass Jacks, and they are the Titan Headphones Marble Edition, compatible with, and I just love how pretty these are. Has like rose gold on them, and in a sense that I guess they do look kind of cheap, but $5 once again, you can't beat that. I love the beautiful design. I didn't really need headphones at this moment, but they only had 2 of these left, and I knew they wouldn't be there the next time I went or anything, or when I needed a new pair, so I just went ahead and grabbed these for myself. I also been needing a new tripod. So from Prime Connect, I got the smartphone tripod, and I'm in mount adapter, so I'm not using this with a smartphone. I'm using this with a camera. It even says here it can wrap around almost anything, and it's easily secure, it stalls easy, all that stuff. It's versatile, and it securely mounts most smartphones and small devices. So I'm going to be using this with my camera. They have blue and red. I picked up the blue one, and I love that it's kind of stretchy. I've been kind of looking for something like this, and for $5 you can't beat it. Like my old tripod that I used to do nail tutorials is just had it. It's just had it. So needed a new one anyway, so I can't wait to try that out. The last 2 items I got were some perfumes, and I picked up their version of the Love Is by Ed Hardy, and their version is called Love Tattoo, and $5. Now these are imitation perfumes, of course, and I will say that they don't linger as long on your skin as the real perfumes. But look how adorable that bottle is. It's a skull. The perfume is a pinkish shade, and I will say, owning the real one, this does smell very similar to the real one. So that's pretty nice. That's a little, that is broke, you guys. Oh my goodness, I hate that. Dang it. Good thing it's just not broke through to all the water, all through. It's not broke all the way through, so that's nice. Okay, and then I just saw this one on a whim, and I was looking at how pretty the box was. Twinkling Night. I don't know what this one is an imitation of. But I was reading on it. The top notes are musk, sandalwood, and tangerine. Now, if you've been watching my channel for a while, I've mentioned a lot that I love sandalwood, I love musk, and I love anything with vanilla. Now, this does not have vanilla, but I was sold at musk and sandalwood, and the tangerine was just out of curiosity. I wanted to try this. The bottle is so cute on this as well. This one lingers on the skin better than the Love Tattoo. Now, this is a much fruitier, lighter scent. Like I said, this is a more musky, woodsy kind of scent. It lasts longer, it lingers longer, and it's louder than the Love Tattoo. This smells awesome. But for $5, you can't beat it. I mean, I love saving money, and if I can't spend, it's hard for me to spend $50 and above on a bottle of perfume, just like it is hard for me to spend that kind of cash in like one eyeshadow palette or $30 on a concealer, things like that. So when I find perfumes that I like, even if they're dupes for $5, I love it. I can't help it. Love it. So I got these two perfumes to add to my collection. That was my Five Below haul. Not many items, but I still wanted to share them, especially this perfume here. If you like musk and sandalwood, you probably definitely like this. The tangerine is there, but mostly I smell the musk and the sandalwood. I thank you guys so very much for watching. Stay tuned for more videos like this. Don't forget to like the video, comment, subscribe, and ring the bell if you haven't already. Check the description box for additional links.